In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash to your PayPal account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by signing in and opening your PayPal dashboard. This is your account's home base, where you can see recent activity and your current PayPal balance. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that your connection is secure. If you're using a shared device, consider a private window and always sign out when you're done. On the dashboard, scroll until you see the PayPal balance section. Right there, you'll find an option labeled Transfer Funds. Go ahead and select it. If the option doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh. Some features can vary by region and account type, so your screen may look slightly different, but the wording will be similar. Next, choose Add Funds to your balance. This is the option that moves money from a bank account into your PayPal balance, so you can pay or send without drawing directly from your bank each time. Adding funds isn't instant everywhere, and funding options can differ based on your country or verification status, but this is the standard path. Before you can move money in, you'll need to link a bank if you haven't already. Select Link a Bank and follow the prompts. You may be asked to connect using your bank's secure login or to enter your account and routing details. If PayPal needs to verify the account, you might see small test deposits appear in your bank. Simply return later to confirm those amounts. Use an account you actively manage, and make sure the name on the bank matches your PayPal profile to avoid delays. When your bank is ready, select Next to Proceed. Review that you've chosen the correct bank, then enter the amount you want to add. It's a good idea to double-check your available bank balance to prevent overdrafts. Finally, click Continue to confirm the transfer. You'll see an estimated arrival time and any applicable fees before you submit. Standard deposits can take a bit of time, while some accounts may offer faster options. After confirming, you can return to your dashboard to monitor the status under your recent activity. For security, avoid sharing one-time codes and never enter your password anywhere except the official PayPal sign-in. That's it. Your cash is on its way to your PayPal balance.